So ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard Östan 01. This is a ship actually named after an old manor. Once upon a time they had 3 different ships, Östan 1, 2, 3. And when this was bought and built in 1906, it became Östan 1. It was a steamship, but it's not anymore. But it functions quite well anyway, because we got out to Vaxholm and back today, and it without any accident, and it will go quite well this time too. So this is a ship now taking us to Vaxholm and back, this guided tour in the archipelago of Stockholm. And we will be going for 2.5 hours before we come back to Stockholm. And on this boat, it's not allowed to smoke. You're not allowed to smoke inside or outside, not even the vaporizers, ladies and gentlemen, so that is forbidden. And today, our captain is Mikael, and the deckhand, you've met him, taking care of the tickets among many other things, is Jimmy. And in the restaurant, you have Alice and Meja helping you with the dishes. The dishes being cooked and made by Jose and Nush in the kitchen. And in the cafe you will find Andreas. And if you go down to the cafe, you have the mulled wine, vin chaud, glühwein, as we call glögg in Swedish. I recommend it warmly.